Welcome to our home out in the country. My name is Doug.
And I'm Ashley.
Today, Ashley's got me cutting the spruce tree, but we're not cutting it down. We're just going to be trimming it up because we have this big old spruce tree in front of our schoolhouse and it blocks like all the features of it, and you can't even see the schoolhouse.
It's like hidden. So we want to just make it look awesome, expose how awesome it looks.
So we debated about having the tree taken down or not. We're not going to worry about that. Our idea is just to trim the bottom branches and make it look nicer. So that's what we're going to be working on for now, and then we'll see what happens after we're done. So here's the schoolhouse with the giant spruce tree in front of it. And we're just going to be trimming up the lower branches and primarily over here in front of this bell tower part. And hopefully making it look better. It's kind of hard to see with the sun backlit like that, but it's going to look awesome.
That was scary.
Well, that was a dead one.
I don't think it blocks that much.
Can we get these down?
Yeah.
This one?
Yeah. Yeah, that one blocks it tremendously. And we might be done after that. And now you're just gonna take care of those nubs that are all sticking out down here. That opened it up a lot.
Better?
Yeah.
I don't want it to look too dead on the bottom. If we cut it too high, it might look awkward. I was just cutting into the tree. I'm like halfway through and water just started gushing out like a flood. It's just starting to trickle down now. There was a lot of water in that tree.
Because up here, there's a big dead branch and water can get in up there.
It was just flooding out. I didn't know what was happening.
Water is still dripping out of this hole up here. And here's the branch with a big dead area here. And there's like little maple trees growing in this, like little saplings growing from the seeds. Isn't that cool? And the little helicopters.
I don't see it anymore.
The water was going in here and filling this cavity and coming out the end.
I don't know how it's still coming out though. That's weird. You know?
Yeah, well, it's a hole. It's got water in it.
Maverick, look it. Dripping water.
Oh, you're gonna get bit. There's a lot of ants in there. They'll bite you. These ants, look.
Worker ants.
Right. So take those, and you know, there's some. Make sure there's no. There's ants everywhere. Check off the list. We got a mess to clean up, but at least it's done. Ashley's wanted that done for a long time. If you guys remember, we did a video
Months ago.
Months, yeah. And we said, should it stay or should it go? The spruce tree. It was about a mix. About 50-50 stay and
Yeah.
go. Well, we kind of met in the middle. We trimmed it up. And now you can see the school a lot better. It looks really good.
It's not hidden.
I trimmed that dead branch on that tree. That tree doesn't look good, but it's okay.
Yeah.
I
It
do-
looks a lot better now.
Yeah. And the property's cleaning up. So speaking of cleaning up, we have to start cleaning up the mobile home so that we can paint it and so it looks better. And so we had to put in a hose spigot outside because we didn't have a spigot. We had no way to
Yeah.
hook up a hose
All
outdoors.
these years of the mobile home being here and nobody's ever put a spigot in.
So we put one in. It's kind of a temporary solution, but it'll work well for the remainder of the time that we're here.
Yeah.
I'll come 6 inches down, I guess. I like even numbers here, you know? So today we're going to be putting a hose spigot at the back of our trailer. We don't have any hose spigots. We need to wash the trailer. You can see how nasty it is. Not that we're going to get that off. This is kind of like the cob job way of just putting a hose on the back of the house. It'll be good though. It'll work. I see light.
Yep. I saw the little pinhole.
Hopefully I went kind of straight. Am I on it?
Yeah.
Whoa! That'll trick the birds. done. No, it's almost done. I'm just going to be sticking a coupling on there with a adapter, hose adapter on there. So let's get some compound on there. Oh, I need some pipe wrenches for this. Wrench I can find, right?
Yeah.
Good and messy. Did I bring a rag over? No. Come on. There we go. So you can bring this in the house and shove this end down the floor where the wires are. I know easier would be to just stick the hose out the window and all that, but I think this is gonna be better.
Yeah.
You want to turn on the water inside or outside? I'll do it inside so I can watch for leaks.
Yeah.
So that's basically all we're doing today. We have a lot of work ahead of us, and we've been doing a lot. We've been super busy, and we have an update video coming soon where we're going to try to throw together everything that we've been doing and share it with you. Some of you might be wondering about the van. The van's doing good. And we wanted to thank you guys. Seriously, thank you, because
Yes.
we put a link in our description for the PayPal. And you guys, several of you contributed to us to help us out, to help us get ahead. And we just wanted to let you know that the van is paid in full. So thank you so much. It is such a burden off of us. It's such a relief. And now, free and clear, we own the van. And it's taken care of. We sent the payment in and it's done.
Yep,
so it's
all
done.
done.
And that's thanks to you guys.
Thank
so
you.
You know who you are. Thank you so much for helping us. And we even had some extra money that we could start putting on our debts, and we put extra money on our bills this month to help get those paid down. So that's awesome. So thank you so much for that. I mean, it means everything to us.
Yeah, it's awesome.
So I guess we're just gonna clean up a little, take care of some things around here, start working on this video and our update video. Until next time, take care.
Bye. Look how far my hand can go in here. And there's like water, just like, wow. This whole thing is just Water City. That's so weird. That's not good for the tree. My hand, it could keep going down there, Doug.
Yeah.
It's like huge. It goes up a little and it keeps going down. My whole arm is just swimming.